running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up.
Oh, look, your Cheerio.
The ones left behind.
Yeah.
The stories I've been told, they never seem to fade my mind. This road that I am.
Is that why they were on sale?
This one's good till November 1st.
For some time.
Say nice, kitty.
No,
That was
a little too aggressive, but
Somehow made it through without losing sight.
What's up, Vinny? Staring at me?
And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark.
Vinny.
The stories I've been told, they never seem to.
My turkey's done very early. It didn't need to be done for like 3 more hours, but I can let her rest. Here she is. Woo! Gertie!
Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more.
Vinny's first turkey!
We just gotta hang on. Come on, Jess.
You need a big one?
If you need a fork.
No. Who let Nikki go first?
I made her though.
It's totally lined like a hole.
Vinny!
How to get my protein?
Well, it's not really dark. You might have to test it in the bathroom.
Come see your jack-o'-lantern, buddy.
Shut up.
Oh,
You got me a different candle?
yeah. It looks good though.
I don't know, the openings are too big for light to come through the eyes.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once without thinking
There, that looks better.
twice?
That looks
And I
cool.
knew it would catch up, and that
I
we
don't think
would
it turned out as good as I wanted it.
It looks fine.
The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. Ooh, on this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
Yeah, just a sec.
We're taking birthday pictures with our kitty. Do you guys want to be in his birthday picture?
Where are you?
He's missing
Okay,
me.
I'm taking a video. Blow them out.
Happy birthday,
Time's
Pepe.
Happy birthday,
gone and I
Pepe.
grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where.